Hi everyone, this is Ron Couming from RCS Technology Solutions, where we help business owners and entrepreneurs just like you achieve even greater success by attracting, converting, and retaining their ideal customers and clients. Welcome to this training series called 25 Ways to Grow Your Instagram Account Quickly and Organically. And in this segment, we are going to talk about why you should start a photo series. A different approach to just plain old reposting your best photos is to create a photo series around your best photos. If a photo you post does extremely well, chances are a similar photo will do equally as well. So think about creating a series of photos. If you have any questions about this tip, please feel free to reach out to me, Ron, at RCS Technology Solutions, to clarify anything that may not have been clear and see what we can do to help you achieve even greater success.